Hey everyone, it's the Bamboo Bandit here, bringing you another update on my video game project here. So I was working on combat for a while now, and I think I got to a good stopping point to show y'all what's been going on. So here I'm in debug mode now, and if I right click, you'll see that there's an actual sword collision detection thing here and some animations. So yeah, this took a lot of freaking work, but you can run around and there's fireballs, which will actually explode with a range around it when it finally detonates. And there's like this charge thing. So I was just messing around, making a bunch of skills to see how well they would work out. And this one I like a lot. It's like a magic missile that'll follow your mouse. You can spawn a whole bunch of them, and I haven't added a timer for these guys yet, but so far they just go away when they actually hit a thing, an object, whatever. Finally, the last skill I implemented was this Nova thing, which is pretty fun. So if I spawn a bunch of guys, I actually worked on some AI a little bit, and you'll see that when they're really close to me, like over here, they'll be using their swords. When they're somewhat far, they'll be using these fireballs. And if they're at just the right distance, they can use a charge attack at me. And that's just how they work right now. Just a really temporary thing to test out everything. And it seems to be working out great. So if I pick my charge ability, you can see I can just keep going back and forth, and I'll actually be doing a lot of damage to them that way. Stand in the middle and use my Nova. Actually, here we go. And I'm actually killing them by the hit detection. So yeah, that was all of that work so far. I had to implement a lot of stuff. So this is a 2D game which has to fake height in some places. So let's say in this scenario, see here, I'm like on top, I'm like above the guy who's hitting me with he's hitting me with the sword. If I do this, you can see that my sword collides with his hitbox, but he's not getting damaged. I had to implement a way to catch this very thing using angles and stuff. So like this shouldn't be hitting him, and turns out he's not after my implementation, which is great. But if I look this way, you'll see that damage is being done. Yeah, so it's just a bunch of angle calculation stuff. But yeah, so far I'm liking where this is going. I'm still working on the animations for skills. Like here's like a sword swing. Let me repeat that. Yeah, like just a little how it's gonna look, kind of. I don't know. I'm still fine tweaking a lot of stuff a bunch, but yeah, I plan to work on combat a lot more. But here's just a good stopping point for the video for y'all. So anyways, thank you for watching. Please stay tuned. Cool stuff is coming up.